my name is Greg Adler. I'm the president and CEO of 4 Wheel Parts, and I'm so proud to be celebrating 65 years of being in business. 4 Wheel Parts started with my grandfather selling Jeep replacement parts. My dad was the first full-time employee, and both my mom and my dad put these Jeep catalogs together on our kitchen table. So we have quite the history, and I want to share some of that with you as we celebrate 65 years in business. The business began in the early 60s when Jeeping was just becoming a thing. A lot of men were coming back from the military where they drove Jeeps in Korea and other places, and the hobby and the sport of off-roading and Jeeping was just starting to grow. The Rubicon Trail became a thing that really helped to spur the growth and excitement around Jeep. My grandfather and my dad saw that opportunity to have replacement parts available for Jeep dealers and other small Jeep businesses that were doing repairs and upgrades to the Jeep. So that's really where the foundation of 4 Wheel Parts began. At that time, shortly after, the opportunity to sell these parts through a catalog, much like a Sears catalog, became a thing. And so that's when my mom and dad put together their very first Jeep catalog on our kitchen table in the early days, collecting the pages and stapling them together and sending them to customers. The mail order catalog at that time was really the way that business was conducted across the country. And my dad would go to the post office and hope that he could open up the P.O. box and have an envelope and a check from a customer with an order. And I remember going there, and if there were no envelopes in the P.O. box, he was pretty bummed out. But fortunately, the mail order business grew and continued to grow between the 60s, 70s, and beyond. Today, we know that mail order business is the internet. We have a really great team of guys and gals that help operate our website and build that website and sell those products online. While the mail order business was continuing to grow, my dad saw the opportunity to open up a second store in Oakland, California. Our first location was based here in Los Angeles, so a big step to open up a new location up in Northern California, and the success that we had with 4 Wheel Parts Oakland really helped to build and give us the confidence to open up more stores across California, Arizona, Texas, Colorado, Florida, and more. That's how 4 Wheel Parts became the nation's largest off-road retailer and a place where customers can come in, learn about the products, touch and feel the products, talk to a great consultant, somebody who knows their vehicle and knows how to build what they're looking for, get those products installed in one of our stores by expert technicians, and go out and explore this great country of ours. Over the 65 years in business, this company, 4 Wheel Parts, has been blessed to have some of the most incredible, passionate, dedicated employees that help to build this business. Today we have over 500 employees that love off-roading, love building trucks, love taking care of customers. And it's really the biggest asset that we have had in the business, and I want to take this time to thank each and every one of those individuals that helped to build 4 Wheel Parts into what we believe is the best off-road company in the country.